Mariah.
Hi.
Hi, Mariah. Oh, and this is Laura again.
This is Laura, you guys.
Oh, good. Yeah.
That's fine. Show them the views. Water's so pretty.
Wow. So now we're about to. What are we about to do? Go somewhere warm. Oh yeah, Laura's here too, I guess.
No, it's like another.
It's a gremlin. Sorry, actually, but misunderstood.
19 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle lonely. 15 years old and smoking hand-rolled cigarettes, running from the law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends.
Laura just got dragged by this random lady because she is
I
wearing.
don't reckon that I did it right, but I was younger then.
What did she say, Laura?
found
Laura, what did she say?
You'd be warmer if you had socks on.
In those.
Me and my friends have not thrown up in so long. Oh, how we've grown. But I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make.
No. Wait. Drink it.
My compliments to the chef.
Ooh.